Hello, all, and welcome back to Learn with Me. This is Artemis, and today we are gonna read chapter 16 Write Your Own Story. A story is a description of a series of real or imaginary events which is intended to entertain people. Stories may be true or fictitious, they may be in prose form or in the form of poetry. What makes a good story? Content, characters, dialogues, suspense, mystery, controversy, surprise, great beginnings, and satisfying endings. There are also various other elements which make a story interesting, like the setting, that is the time and place where it has occurred, the scenic description, that is the landscape, the weather, the plot, that is the events and actions included, and above all, the central idea or theme. Write Your Own Story provides us guidelines to become a good storyteller. Element is one of the parts of something that makes it work, or a quality that makes someone or something effective. Form groups of 5. Look at the chart given on pages 40-41. Each person in the group is given only one column to choose from. From column A, one person chooses any 5 characters. From column B, another person can choose any 5 characteristics or qualities for these characters. Character is a person represented in a movie, play, or story. Characteristic is a typical or noticeable quality of someone or something. From columns C, D, and E, the 3 remaining children choose the story type, the period, and one setting, that is the place, respectively. The condition is that every person chooses separately without telling or consulting the others. After everyone has chosen, you put all the elements together and build a story or play with it. It must have a beginning, some events, and an end. You may choose other supporting characters and move from one setting or time period to another if necessary, but you must use what you choose first. Setting is the place or type of surroundings where something is positioned or where an event takes place. Time period is the length of time during which a series of events or an action takes place or is completed. Choose any 5 characters. Magician, schoolgirl, schoolboy, mouse, thief, soldier, farmer, dinosaur, merchant, king or queen, dog, scientist, a superhero, robot, detective, neighbor, elf, acrobat, pilot, hawker. A superhero is a character in stories or movies who has special powers such as the ability to fly that are used for fighting evil or helping people. For example, Superman. Elf is an imaginary being, often like a small person with pointed ears in popular stories. Acrobat is a person who entertains people by doing difficult and skillful physical things such as walking along a high wire. Choose any 5 characteristics. Brave, coward, wicked, kind, weak, bullying, nosy, forgetful, very intelligent, scholar, talkative, silly, sly, honest, cunning, loyal, rash, helpful, selfish, strong. Coward is a person who is not brave, is easily frightened, or tries to avoid danger or difficulties. Bullying is the behavior of a person who hurts or frightens someone smaller or less powerful after forcing that person to do something they do not want to do. Sly is deceiving people in a clever way in order to get what you want. Nosy is too interested in what other people are doing and wanting to discover too much about them. Rash is without thought for what might happen or result or unwise in your actions. Choose the story type. Fairy tale, fantasy, mystery, adventure, ordinary, success story, funny, science fiction, tragic, play. Fantasy is a type of story that is set in an imaginary world after involving traditional myths and magical creatures. Science fiction is a type of writing about imagined developments in science and their effect on life, especially in the future. Adventure is an unusual, exciting, and possibly dangerous activity, trip, or experience, or the excitement produced by such activities. Mystery is a book especially about a crime or a murder with a surprising ending that explains all the strange events that have happened. Tragic is very sad, often involving death and suffering. Time or period. In the time of the caveman. Caveman is a person who lived in the past, early in human history, when humans made tools from stone and often lived in caves. Once upon a time, 1000 to 500 years ago, 20 years ago, now, 20 years from now, 200 years from now, that is the future, when dinosaurs lived on the earth, that is millions of years ago. Places or setting. Your city or town or village, on another planet, in a faraway land, in a desert, in the forest, in a hill fort, on an island, in a big city, in space, in a small kingdom. Dear children, do you have these elements in your story? Good descriptions, you will need adjectives. The characteristics mentioned above are the adjectives. Some more adjectives are busy, cautious, clean, adorable, aggressive, bright, calm, charming, cool, creepy, gigantic. Events and actions. Things that are happening, especially exciting or important. Dialogues and conversations which are interesting and powerful, and also monologues if you like. What is a monologue? A monologue is a long speech by one person, especially in a play, movie, or television show. Some surprise for the readers, that is a dramatic twist to your story. Please share your story with other groups. Dear children, now I will narrate a story to you. The name of the story is The Lonely Elephant. A lone elephant walked through the forest looking for friends. The elephant saw a monkey and proceeded to ask, "Can we be friends, monkey?" Lone is having no companions, solitary or single. Proceeded is to move forward. The monkey quickly replied, "You are big and can't swing on trees like I do, so I cannot be your friend." Swing is to move freely to and fro, especially in suspension from an overhead support. Dejected, the elephant continued to search when it stumbled across a rabbit. Dejected is sad and stumbled is trip or momentarily lose one's balance, almost fall. The elephant asked the rabbit, "Can we be friends, rabbit?" The rabbit looked at the elephant and replied, "You are too big to fit inside my burrow. You cannot be my friend." Burrow is a hole in the ground dug by an animal such as a rabbit, especially to live in. Then the elephant continued until it met a frog. The elephant asked, "Will you be my friend, frog?" The frog replied, "You are too big and heavy. You cannot jump like me. I'm sorry, but you can't be my friend." The elephant continued to ask the animals it met on its way, but always received the same reply. The following day, the elephant saw all the forest animals run in fear. The elephant stopped a bear to ask what was happening and was told a tiger was attacking all the small animals. The elephant wanted to save the other animals, so it went to the tiger and said, "Please leave my friends alone, do not eat them." The tiger did not listen. It merely told the elephant to mind its own business. Merely means just or only, or used to emphasize that you mean exactly what you are saying and nothing more. Seeing no other way, the elephant kicked the tiger and scared it away. Upon hearing of the brave tale, the other animals agreed, "You are just the right size to be our friend." Dear children, the story ends here, and the moral of the story is friends come in every shape and size. Thanks for watching my video.